Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. We have got an outstanding collaboration happening, super special. My very first collaboration with 6 amazing artists, 5 plus myself. And we are giving you artists from across the globe. You might not be able to travel right now, so we all decided to bring traveling to all of our wonderful viewers. I will have the artist names listed in the video description below with the links to each of their channels. Just tap on the little silver arrow. I think it's on the bottom right hand side usually, and that'll give you a video description with all the links to all the wonderful artists. So the artists are Danna with Danna's Art in Motion, Moose with Moose Crazies, The Flowing Canvas, Pamela with Therapeutic Creations, Dawn with Amethyst Moon Studios, Tammy with Color Shift Art by Tammy, and of course myself, Sandra Sensations. Please visit each of these artists and subscribe to their channels. We have all had so much fun creating this collaboration. We all hope you enjoy, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Let us know you stopped by. That would be awesome. I've got a 20 by 20 gallery wrap canvas in front of me. I got my split cup with Sandra Sensations on the front of it. This is a 14 to 16 ounce split cup. I'm going to fill it with paint. I'm going to give this a whirl. All my paints are Artezas, and they are 3 ounces of Floetrol to 1 ounce of paint in every single one of my colors I have. And no water was actually added. They were all perfect. So that's what I'm going to be doing my split cup with. And I also saw on Waterfall Acrylics, which Karen, she does these amazing, they're like deconstructive blooms kind of thing. I think I might try something similar to that with my split cup. I'm not really sure, but we're just going to wing it and have some fun. So thanks for joining us. Remember, hit subscribe. All the artists are working so hard to grow our channels, and we're totally enjoying this whole across the globe split cup collaboration. Okay, here we go. I'm going to get Greg to put some music on while I fill up some paint in my cup. And you never know, I might not say anything else. You might just listen to music and enjoy the journey. Thanks, everyone.
Before we carry on with this video, I just thought I'd take a moment to say that we've decided to have a special contest to celebrate this collaboration. We will be giving away 6 14 to 16 ounce split cups. All you have to do is like all 6 videos and comment all 6 videos to be entered into the draw for your chance to win your very own split cup, which will be personalized with whatever you want printed on it. Thank you. Now back to the video.